Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of food and nutrition. We'll explore the differences between natural, organic, processed, and ultra-processed foods. Understanding these categories can help you make healthier choices for yourself and your family. Let's start with natural foods. Natural foods are minimally processed and free from artificial ingredients. They include fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. These foods are packed with essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that our bodies need to thrive. Consuming natural foods can improve your overall health, boost your immune system, and provide sustained energy. Next, we have organic foods. Organic products are grown without synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, or genetically modified organisms. They follow strict agricultural practices that promote biodiversity and soil health. Organic foods can include fruits, vegetables, grains, and even dairy and meat products. Many people choose organic for health reasons, believing they're more nutritious and safer for consumption. Now, let's talk about processed foods. Processed foods have been altered from their original form for safety, convenience, or preservation. This category includes items like canned vegetables, frozen fruits, and packaged snacks. While some processed foods can be healthy, such as frozen fruits without added sugars, others may contain added salt, sugar, or preservatives, which can detract from their nutritional value. Lastly, we have ultra-processed foods. These are products made from industrial ingredients that you wouldn't typically use in home cooking. Examples include sugary drinks, packaged snacks, instant noodles, and fast food. Ultra-processed foods often contain high levels of sugar, unhealthy fats, and salt, and they are linked to various health issues, including obesity and heart disease. It's best to limit these foods in your diet. So, how can you make healthier food choices? Focus on incorporating more natural and organic foods into your meals. When shopping, read labels carefully to identify processed foods with added ingredients. Aim to cook at home more often, using whole and minimally processed ingredients. Remember, balance is key. While it's okay to enjoy processed and ultra-processed foods occasionally, prioritizing natural and organic options can lead to better health outcomes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more nutrition tips, and share your favorite healthy foods in the comments below. Thanks for watching.